what is the spiciest food you have ever eaten?
I did the 1 chip challenge and I had the ghost pepper chip.
I order spice level 5 at my favorite Thai restaurant, and I usually end up eating about 3 bites.
Cheers.
That one looks hot.
You're still not feeling it?
Not impressed.
We have 2 replacement levies on the ballot. Educational programs and Operation Levy accounts for what percentage of our district's budget?
It's about 15%.
That's over 400 district employees, teachers, coaches, paraeducators, support staff.
This is the hottest one we have.
Good luck, you guys. You're gonna need it.
I'm going in.
Here we go.
How does it taste?
You're getting a little red there.
I'm gonna need to check my blood pressure in a moment.
The Technology Capital Levy funds several important areas. Can you walk us through what this levy pays for?
The technology levy, people when they think of the technology levy, they think of the iPads that every student has.
There's a big cybersecurity aspect that is huge. And I'm sorry, the heat won't go away. I feel like my nose is starting to.
When is Election Day?
February 10th?
February 10th.
We are not asking for more. We're asking to maintain what we currently have so that our kids can continue to have the great resources that our district strives to make sure our kids have access to. So we don't want to lose any employees. We don't want our class sizes bigger. We want to, at the very least, maintain what we have right now.
Thanks for watching Levy Hot Seat.